In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your company details on your billing invoice in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to include your company details or to capture company details on invoices in Slack, then you can go ahead and add this. To do this, go over to your Slack workspace name here and then click on the drop down arrow. From this, head over to tools and settings and then go to settings section and click on workspace settings. Now this will redirect you to a new tab and go to the sidebar menu and look for billing, which is under administration section. So if you click on billing here, now you'll be taken to billing page here and head over to settings tab. Now from this, we want to go ahead and add our company details. And this is the first section. You can go ahead and add organization, country or region, as well as address. Now you are told that this information will be included on all billing invoices on your account. So add this information, and you can also check for other information that you wish to be added on your invoice by choosing or selecting your preferences here. So that's how you can add your billing details on invoices in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.